Yeah, hello. So today we will see how we can configure the create layout in Redwood. So we navigated to Redwood sales and we went to opportunities. So here we have the create opportunity button. So when we click here, one layout is opening. So let's see how we can configure this. So we went to configuration visual builder and we navigated to the workspace. Also, hopefully you have already gone through the Oracle Visual Builder administration playlist. So now we went to layouts and we went to the opportunities. So once we click here, it's showing a default layout. So let's click on duplicate. So let's give it a name. Redwood opportunities, click duplicate. So here we have an option to add conditions. So same like in simplified UI, we have dynamic layouts. Here also we can configure the conditions. For example, you want to show a layout depending upon a role. So let's add a condition user dot. So these are the properties. For example, you want to show this layout, the Redwood opportunity layout, depending upon the role condition. Sales administrator. See. So what we are saying, if your role is sales administrator, then you should be able to see that layout. Otherwise, else it will move to the default layout. Or we can add another condition also. For example, user dot user ID. For example, if the user ID of the logged in user is crm.admin1, that is my ID. So then this layout will be opening, otherwise the default layout will be opening. So that's how we can configure the dynamic layouts. Also, let's add one more layout. Let's add one more layout and put a condition. So let's add a condition. Field start sales stage. Let's add a sales stage condition. For example, I am saying, if the sales stage ID is identifying, then this layout should open. That is sales stage layout. If the logged in user ID is CRM admin, then it should open. So it's like a dynamic layouts that we can configure. Also here that condition part is very strong. So we can add a group condition also. So for example, I am saying if sales stage identifying and user dot user equals crm dot admin one add condition equals crm dot admin two. So here what I am saying, if the stage is identifying and user ID is either of them, then this layout will open. So here what we are doing in the or condition, we can give a group query also. So that functionality was not there in simplified UI, but here we have that. So here we can add multiple conditions. So that's how we can configure the dynamic layouts. So let me remove all this and let me duplicate a simple layout only. And let's drill down to this layout. And here what we can do, we can add the fields. For example, amount field, alumnus field. So that all will be added here. So we can test this part also. What we can do, we can go to API. Let's go to opportunities. go to opportunity list. We can click again on app UI. It will hide the navigator details. So let me click on live and click create opportunity. Remember we added amount and the luminous field so that we can see here now. That's how we can configure the create layout. Thank you.